It's made of amino acids. We call those the building blocks of life. Um, we know there are 20 different amino acids. 9 are essential, meaning you got to get them through your diet. So there's a ton to cover, but let's start with the building blocks. Let's dive into what is protein made of, on a structural level, and why that's important, and kind of go from there.
And to answer your question, protein is essentially a bunch of amino acids. So the individual blocks of a protein, they start with individual amino acids and they get built up from, 2, 3, 4, 1,000. But they go from these very small ones like carnosine and creatine are dipeptides and tripeptides.
We think of amino acid like essentially one of the thoughts that I have, because my brain is just weird and this is what I think about. But like without proteins, there's no life.
That's generally so when you look in like space for signs of life, they're generally searching for organic matter, specifically amino acids. So when we think about RNA's entire job is to make proteins, right? DNA passes on the information to make those proteins. So when we think about life as we think about it, proteins are really integral to that process.
Did you in your throughout your college career and when you were pursuing your doctorate, did you do I know you did a lot of things. Insulin research was a big one, but like how much research into protein synthesis did you have, and like studying amino acids at their most fundamental level?